In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Amazon account quickly and easily. This process will just take a few minutes, so let's get started. First, you want to navigate to Amazon's website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in amazon.com in the address bar. Once there, you'll recognize the familiar Amazon homepage with their famous slogan, "Spend less, smile more." Now, if you aren't already signed in, you'll want to ensure that you're logged in so you can follow each step properly. Look towards the top right of the page where it prompts you with a sign in button. Click on that button and enter your login credentials if required. This step ensures you're accessing your account and have the necessary permissions to make changes, like signing out. Once you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the Amazon homepage. Next, navigate to the Your Account section. You can do this by hovering over the Account and Lists option, and a drop-down menu will appear. Among several links, you'll find an option labeled Your Account. Click on it, and this will lead you to the section where you manage various settings and preferences associated with your Amazon account. Now that you're in the Your Account area, you should see a variety of options listed. Don't let the number of links overwhelm you, as we're almost there. Simply locate and click on the link that says Account. Sometimes the wording may vary slightly, but it should be pretty straightforward. It's usually at the top and easy to spot. With that done, you're ready for the final step. You'll see an option in this section to sign out. Click on this and you'll be securely logged out of your Amazon account. This is a critical step if you're on a shared or public computer, as it ensures that no one else can access your account without your knowledge. Remember, logging out is essential for keeping your account information secure and maintaining your privacy. If you ever find yourself needing to log back in, just repeat the earlier steps and sign back in with your credentials. And there you have it, a simple, quick and efficient method to sign out of your Amazon account. If you follow these steps, you can ensure your account remains safe when you're not actively using it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides in future videos.